up, Dope That Fam? It's your boy Dope back with another video, guys, and today we're out here with the boy DTR back in the vlogs. What's up? Where you been?
Working, bro.
He finally got a new truck. If you guys have seen it in the vlog, but you haven't seen him in the vlog, I'll show you guys the truck real quick. Boy came back with the lifted 4-door. He said he was tired of that single cab lowered life, huh?
Yeah.
Park right there. What the? Where'd you go? Pop the hood. All right, let's show them what's inside the box real quick. All right, guys. So this is an LED strip. That's pretty much is gonna go right here on the. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way across, and then it's just gonna be like a daytime running light right here, a little strip of LED.
What about at night? Does it turn on? Or it'll turn on with my lights?
It'll turn on with your lights. We're gonna see what fuse right now it runs when your truck is on.
Yeah.
And we'll connect it to that. All right, guys. So we taped the LED strip where we think it might go. That's why we didn't take off the double-sided red tape, right? Because we're trying to see how it's going to look with the hood closed in this position. And then we're just trying to find the fuse that we're going to tap into, because this just comes with the black and red wire, but we bought a fuse tapper. We're going to show you guys right now. Alright, guys, here it is with the light on. Now we're just going to close the hood to see if it works, if we like it there. Then we're going to keep it. That's perfect. What do you mean? We just gotta fix over here so it comes out a little more.
Well, it's because right there, it's going to give me a way up.
This one? A little lip?
Yeah, for sure. Look how this is. I think it's going to do this.
It still looks pretty sick though.
Yeah. It'd be dope if there was a switch for, but I mean, maybe we could do a switch later. Sick.
Damn. Look, you can see right here. You can not really see it over here. Yeah. Alright, guys, that's the finished product. Easy installation. We tapped into the fog light fuse. We're gonna do the animation one more time just so you guys can see it. Nice. Can you do it without your headlights on? Yeah. This is, I think they're your daytime running lights. They're the daytime running lights that pop on. But yeah, guys, simple installation. What was it, like 10 minutes? Yeah. Just gotta tap into, you can even tap into any fuse, guys. You don't have to do the fog light one. Later on, we might figure out, maybe we can do off a switch. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, make sure you guys check it out. I'll have the link down in the description with the little discount code for you guys if you guys are interested. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe to Dope That.
Perfect.